In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount in HoneyBook, whether by line item or by percentage off. This process is incredibly useful for when you're working on invoices and need to apply a discount for your client. It's a straightforward task, but by following these simple steps, you'll master it in no time. To start, make your way into HoneyBook and begin creating your invoice. This is the initial step, where you'll generally lay out the items or services you're billing your client for. With HoneyBook, everything can be tailored to suit the particular needs of your business and client, so feel free to add all necessary details before you move on to applying your discount. Next, you'll need to navigate towards the part of HoneyBook that holds your specific invoice block. This is essentially where all the details of your invoice are grouped. Once you've reached this section, you'll want to select the invoice block. This action highlights the area where you'll soon apply your discount, providing you with various options and tools to edit the invoice to your liking. Now, above the total amount of your invoice, you'll see the option to plus add discount. Selecting this option paves the way for you to input your desired discount. The flexibility here means you can choose between applying a flat discount amount or setting a percentage off the total bill, depending on what works best for you and your client. Once you've selected to add a discount, you'll be prompted to set the specifics of that discount. This means entering the exact amount or percentage you'd like to reduce from the invoice total. HoneyBook conveniently saves these changes automatically, so there's no need to worry about losing your progress. Just ensure that the numbers you input are correct and aligned with any agreements you've made with your client. It's important to remember that offering discounts is not just a gesture of goodwill. It can also be a strategic business decision. Discounts can encourage clients to make quicker payments, book future services, or even provide referrals. Therefore, taking the time to understand how to correctly apply them in HoneyBook can be beneficial for cultivating lasting client relationships and maintaining a positive cash flow in your business. With these steps completed, you've successfully added a discount to your invoice in HoneyBook. Simple and efficient, the platform ensures that applying such changes is both seamless and precise, providing you and your client with a clear and concise invoice that reflects any agreed upon reductions. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on optimizing HoneyBook for your business needs.